Alright everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video we're going to be detailing a Mercedes-Benz SLR McLaren. Very rare car, very expensive car, very valuable. And this car, to be exact, is valued at almost $700,000. This is a limited edition Mercedes-Benz SLR McLaren. It has very low miles. So special care. That's why this repeat affluent client of EXQUISITEMAD calls us to take care of it. And what you're seeing right now is the first step in the process, and that is a pre-foam and also a pre-rinse. So that loosens up any type of loose contamination that's on the surface of the paint, on the surface of the wheels, the glass, etc., and getting that emulsified and helping the emulsification of that, and then rinsing it. And I'm going to go all the way around and apply the solution. The solution is safe on polished surfaces, for metal polish surfaces, also paint. It's safe on glass, it's safe on everything. And it's aircraft safe and also automobile safe. So it's an EXQUISITEMAD product. Now, what you're seeing now is basic paint decontamination, also known as clay bar. If you ever heard about a clay bar, and if you don't know what it is, a clay bar is not a wax. A clay bar is a paint decontamination tool. And once the car was foamed, rinsed, foamed, hand washed, and while hand washing, running your hands, bare hands over the surface, you can actually feel the roughness on the paint. Now, the car may appear clean, but that roughness is actual surface contamination and contamination embedded in the paint. That clay bar, while using this soap solution and this cleaning solution as a lubricant, we're removing that surface contamination, and that is before any type of polishing is done, and also, of course, before any type of ceramic coating or any type of wax would be done on a vehicle. On this one, this is before the paint polishing process begins. And this hood is huge. I mean, it has a lot of surface area. Now, rinsing this car off, you can see it's coming off very easy. Solution has a wax in it, and also it has some lubricosity to it. As you can imagine, especially using that clay bar and also even washing the car, it ensures that the risk of scratching while washing is minimized. So nothing can ever be completely fail-safe, but you know, we can get there pretty close. Rinsing this car off, you see it beading off pretty nice. It's coming clean, and that's the idea.
If you like this video, you know what to do. Like and subscribe. With
this vehicle, we're not going to hand dry it. With this vehicle, we actually blew it dry with air, with a blower, and it dried off very nice, spot free. It's awesome. It's great. And I mean, it's a process. You gotta love it. So anyway, if you've never seen this car before, this car was a pet project between Mercedes-Benz and also McLaren. And it was not built in the Mercedes factory, but instead it was built in the McLaren factory. And there's not very many of these cars in existence in the world. The total run over almost a decade was only at 2,000 units, so that'll tell you that's total with all the variants included. This one here has a soft top, and it's gorgeous. It's beautiful. So I'm going to continue watching here. Going to do the last little rinse now, doing the paint, polishing, and closing those doors. And now ceramic coating, and this is the result. And it is absolutely exquisite bad. It is EXQUISITEMAD. And I hope that y'all enjoy watching this, because the simple fact is that the majority of people around the world will never see a vehicle like this in real life. And to be able to share it, it's awesome, you know. But if you are a prospective client and you are interested in receiving services, whether it be any of our services offered, you can contact us at exquisitemad.com or email us at info@exquisitemad.com, or you can give us a call toll free at 800-292-2341. We're based out of Destin, 38, Florida. We serve affluent and also VIP clients there, all the way to Miami, West Palm Beach, into Austin, Texas, Houston, Texas, New Orleans, throughout Atlanta, Nashville, New Orleans, the entire South, the entire Southeast, as well as nationwide, all the way to Los Angeles, California, to Beverly Hills, up to Nantucket and New York. We also offer international services. We operate for clients and with clients throughout the Commonwealth of the Bahamas, the UAE, the KSA, the United Kingdom, and more. Prices, services, packages are listed on the website. Financing is available through third-party lenders, Synchrony Bank, and also PayPal. If you are interested in receiving training or licensing from EXQUISITEMAD, please give us a call or email us and get in contact with us. Be sure to like, subscribe. Remember to hit that bell for new notifications for videos just like this. See you on the next video, everybody. Bye-bye.